Hello, this problem is to find the area of this shaded circle. To solve this problem, we need to point the center of this circle and here, the center of BC. This is the center of half circle. Here P, here Q, and we need some auxiliary line from B through P to here, and from P to Q, and from P to here. Naturally, this is perpendicular to BC. Here, let's call this point R. To find the area of this area, we have to know the radius R. Then BP equal 10 minus R. Here R, so BR is R. BR is R. And PQ equal 5 plus R. Here R, here 5. Because this is 5. Here also 5. So RQ equal 5 minus R. Here we made two right triangle, PBR and PQR. BP square is BR square plus PR square, and PQ square equal RQ square plus PR square minus BP square minus PQ square equal PR square minus RQ square. BP is R square minus PQ is 5 plus R square equal, I'm sorry, BP equal 10 minus R square minus 5 plus R square equal R square minus 5 minus R square. 100 minus 20R plus R square minus 25 plus 10R plus R square equal R square minus 25 minus 10R plus R square. Erase this and erase this. Then 100 minus 25 is 75, and minus 30R equal minus 25 plus 10R. To left, to right, minus 40R equal minus 100. R equal (10/4), 5/2. So the area is like this. 25/4 pi. Finish it. Thank you.